I never thought I would be that person who would make achar at home, but here I am. Quite proud of myself for this Oler Achar. I mean, who would have thought that Suran or Ol can be turned into this delicious achar recipe? Do give this video a quick like if you think it sounds interesting. Below in the description box you will find all the details on prepping of Ol. As you can see, I have chopped them into small cubes. Now since we are not cooking anything here, we will use a lot of tetul or tamarind to help us. If you want to know why, check out my blog post. You will get the details there. Chop up and grind everything together. It is going to take some time as we are not going to add any extra water. Remember, we are making achar here. Take it out in a large mixing bowl and add mustard oil to get an oily mix. I added some garlic to the half of the mix to add some variety. Add salt and spread the mix uniformly in a glass mixing bowl. Pour some mustard oil to form a thin covering layer. Now this will create a protective layer between the achar and moisture in the air. Place it somewhere it would get direct sunlight for most of the day. Keep giving it a mix every hour or so that it forms a brownish crust due to drying. Now at the end of the day, give it a thorough mix and pour some mustard oil on top. Cover the bowl like we did before and place it in a cool and dry place for the night. Now repeat this process of sun drying and the addition of oil for the next 7 to 8 days or until the achar has dried up completely and darkened in color. When it is ready, it would look something like this and transfer it to a clean and dry glass jar. Continue keeping the jar in sunlight for the next couple of days without the lid to allow the flavors to mature further. This summer, try this Oler Achar recipe, so like this video.